If you have used Photoshop brush tool, you might have noticed this mode, and usually it's set to normal. You can click on the pull-down menu and see these options, and some of them are very interesting or useful. For example, there's a darken or lighten, and these options compare colors of your current brush color and color of the pixels in your image. For example, if I set current color to this orange and say I want to paint but with this darken mode, I can paint on an area which is lighter than my current color, which is orange. So comparing orange and black, black is darker. So Photoshop will not make the darker area darker with my orange. However, the white area is brighter than the orange. So it makes the area darker with my orange color. If I switch to lighten mode, the opposite thing will happen. If I try to paint on an area lighter than the orange, Photoshop doesn't let me paint, but if I paint on a dark area, it will replace the dark pixel colors with the orange. Also, there are lots of other options, for example, hue. This replaces hue of the pixels with my current color. So for example, if I choose blue and paint on this red mug, I can change the mug to blue. However, if I try to paint on these white mugs, I cannot make them really blue because this hue option just change the hue. So if it's red, it makes it blue. If it's green, it makes it blue. But if it's white, it doesn't have much color there. To make these colors different colors like blue or red, you have to introduce more color. And this hue mode doesn't change the saturation, just the hue. So if the pixels are gray, white, or black, it will not change the color. In such case, you might want to try color option instead of hue. So Photoshop change the hue and also the saturation, and you can make the gray area of the mug more bluish.